Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. The Chief Executive Officer of Net1 Cellular Private Limited, Raphael Moshanawani, has been arrested by the Zimbabwe Anti-Corruption Commission (ZEC) on allegations of fraud and criminal abuse of office amounting to $1.2 million United States dollars. ZEC confirmed the arrest in a statement detailing the charges faced by the telecommunications executive. Moshanawani is accused of involvement in a fraudulent transaction where a total of $1.2 million United States dollars was allegedly released from the replacement of the company's SAGE 1000 system, as well as associated consultancy and training services. ZEC alleges that these significant funds were dispersed without the requisite approval from Net1's executive committee or board of directors. The Net1 CEO is scheduled to appear at the Harare Magistrate Court to answer to the charges. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.